Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to send a message to yourself on Instagram. It is a fast and easy tutorial, so let's dive into it. First, make sure your Instagram app is up to date. You can update the app in your App Store or Play Store. Now launch your Instagram app. To send a message to yourself on Instagram, you need to be on the DMs page. So once you've launched the updated Instagram app, you will see the DM icon at the top right corner. Tap on it. Your messages or DMs page will open up. This page has a search bar at the top of the page, so tap on it. All you need to do is search for your username. So just type in your username, you will get suggestions. Just select your username from the list. Your username DM will open, so just type in what you want to send to yourself. It can be a video, photo, or even just text. When your message is ready, tap the send button. Just like that, you have sent a message to yourself on Instagram. You can also delete the message if you no longer need it. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And click on that notification bell to never miss an update.